The big difference between people who are winning with AI and who are not winning with AI is just purely initiative. That project, that business that you keep thinking about, if you're not going to start it now, when are you going to start? Like, you can vibe code your own apps, you can vibe code your own websites. You have ChatGPT and AI being able to teach and assist you with any gaps that you have in your knowledge, and you're still not going to start the business or start the project. When would you start it? What? Be honest with yourself. Admit what you need to start the project. And if the circumstances aren't right now with all of these advantages and technology that we have that is just geared towards people with initiative, then just accept that you're not going to start it. And that's okay. You don't have to start another project. But at least stop torturing yourself with this idea of, I'm going to do this one day. You have all the tools at your fingertips. It is just purely an initiative factor.